Pretty Nerdy Witch here, and we're gonna fix my hair. So I did this beautiful purple down here, which I mixed with a violet blonde for a kind of trying to dupe a Pravana color, which were great, except for I ran out of color. So all of this didn't get colored, and I'm kind of upset. So that's my classic hairdresser mistake 101. Make sure you have enough color for your hair. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna use the Oops. And there's a few different ones I've used over the years that I've really liked. I can't remember the names of which ones I liked. I just know Oops worked for me once. And we're gonna be doing a henna dye on top of it anyway. So I just need to get the darkness out. The henna should cover everything and then we should be good. But yeah, it's a shame. It was such a pretty purple. But instead of fixing it, I decided that I wanted something a little bit more orangey and stuff with my blue eyes. So a little bit more natural. And with the baby, I don't want all the chemicals and stuff. So Joe has her out for a good long while. So I'm gonna get this out of my hair and hope for the best. So let me pause this and get this mixed up and start putting it on my hair. I'm also going to be wearing protective eyewear because I did have the LASIK. I do not want to get any chemicals in my eyes while they're healing. So hold that thought and we'll be right back. So the bag is on my head and we've got 20 minutes to go. Check back in with you. So it's been 20 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Except for right around my hairline. That's okay. We're gonna go wash this out. I'll be back. So this is the final result. It's just a little bit warmer than my natural, which is fine because we're gonna henna in my next video. There's still little tiny hazes of purple, especially my hairline, but this worked great. This did exactly what I needed it to do. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you don't think this worked as awesome as I did. I don't know, my hair still feels really good. Also, hit the notification bell if you would like to see the henna hair dye tutorial because that will be next. I bought some stuff from Lush and it's gonna happen. If you want to keep tabs faster than when I post videos, please follow me on Instagram. My name is nerdy_witch. I also Twitter. I got it right last time, darn it. I Twitter at witchnerdy. Yeah, that's the handle. Okay. Shout out, say hey, let me know what you would like to see next. As always, I'd invite you to take care and